Hi there, good afternoon. Welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here, presenting you a short video of this gorgeous 330e M Sport hybrid estate we have in 2021, presented in Portimao Blue Metallic, fitted with the Your Next Car body styling package and some styling enhancements. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of its features and options, as well as giving you a good look around its condition, interior and exterior. So the 2021 vehicle. It's the G21 estate, 76,000 miles, one owner with a full BMW service history. First thing you'll notice is gorgeous double slack kidney grills, 3-piece AC Schnitzer style front splitter. Upgraded the standard 18-inch wheels with these gloss black 20-inch, fitted with the original BMW I centre caps, which I think looks great. M Sport mirror caps, M Performance decals, sidebars. Rear wheels are staggered. Let's give it that nice aggressive look. 150 BMWs in stock at the moment. All cosmetically enhanced in-house here. We've been doing it for a number of years. Electric tailgate, split folding, lots of room. You've got the luggage net, original mats, charging cable, and they're the original mirrors because we upgraded it. This one has the nice feature of the electric tow bar, which is a factory option. I'll give that a second and I'll show you that as well. Bodywork very, very clean and tidy. It doesn't look like it's done 76,000 miles at all. Let's take a look in the back. Isofix rear bench, front centre armrest, climate control in the rear as well. That's the tow bar, if that's of any interest to you. Electric folding mirrors, electrically adjustable, lumbar support, heated seats, obviously all electrics, automatic headlights, rain sensors, park sensors, along with a reversing camera. So you see the service interval is due, that'll be done in-house. That's for the rear brake pads and the brake fluid, so it will all be up to date. Fantastic visual display there. BMW's digital cockpit, we've got paddle shift, hybrid and select modes. Won't dwell too much on the hybrid battery because there's lots of information online, but BMW's claimed is the mid-30s. A sensible way to approach it is mid-20s, so I've had one, I've driven one for a number of months. Around about 25 is more than achievable. Heated seats, digital climate control, which is dual zone, got a lovely reversing camera, and then taking a look at the history. Let's have a look at that for you. So there we go, 72, 42, 21 and pre-delivery, so that'll be done along with the rear brake pads, and the engine oil isn't due for 16,000 miles. In stock, ready to go. Hire purchase, you can quote yourself on the website. Part exchange is very welcome. Give us a call, email or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, appreciate your time, thank you.